is Sheikh Amir and I am back with another video on FlowerHorn keeping. And in today's topic we are going to talk about 5 different types of filters in which we have used in our aquarium setup. Filters are critical components for both freshwater and marine setup. A filter in aquarium basically removes both physical and soluble chemical waste produced by fishes and simplify maintenance. Furthermore, aquarium filters are necessary to support life as aquariums are relatively small and closed volume of water compared to natural environment of most fishes. As in our previous video on new tank syndrome, we have spoken about nitrogen cycle, which is divided in two methods, fish and fishless cycling. Proper maintenance of nitrogen cycle is a vital element of a successful aquarium. An aquarium is, however, an imperfect depict of a natural world. Aquariums are usually much more densely stocked with fishes than natural environment. This increases the amount of ammonia produced in a relatively small volume of water. In order that the ammonia and nitrate does not build up to a harmful level, regular partial water changes are required to remove nitrates and introduce new unconditioned water. Mechanical and chemical filtration. The process of mechanical filtration removes tiny particulate materials from water column. These particulate materials may include uneaten food and other debris. Mechanical filtration is typically achieved by passing water through materials which act as a fishing net, physically trapping tiny material. Removal of solid waste can be as simple as hand netting of fishes. This process is known as mechanical filtration. Now let's talk about different types of filters. Number 1, we have canister filter. Canister style external filters offer a greater quantity of filter material to be used along with a greater degree of flexibility with respect to the filter material choice. It is important to note that canister filters are sealed, fully flooded systems, meaning that the aquarium intake pipe, filter interior and return pipe form a continuous water body. Benefits of this type of filter are that they can provide a high volume of filter material without reducing the inner space of aquarium, and they can be disconnected from tank for cleaning and maintenance and replaced without disturbing the aquarium interior and occupants. Second in list we have is hang-on back filter, which are powered to remove water from aquarium, usually with a long siphoning tube, which is pushed towards a series of different filter media and returned to aquarium. They are most common type of aquarium filters. They are usually more efficient and easy to maintain than the internal filter. Advantages of this type of filter are that they allow a selection of different type of filter media depending on the tank needs, and they are easy to clean without disturbing any inhabitants of the tank because they sit on the side of a fish tank. Disadvantages of hang-on back filters include that they are small capacity to hold different types of media when compared to canister filter, and they turn to be very noisy, usually resulting from vibrations. Third in list we have undergravel filter, one of the oldest type of filters. As the name suggests, undergravel filter consists of a porous plate which is placed beneath the gravel of aquarium. Historically, undergravel filters have been driven via air displacement. Air tubes are placed at the bottom of uplifting tube, which forces water out to the tube, creating a negative pressure beneath the gravel filter plate. Water then flows down through the gravel, which itself becomes filter material. Greater flow rate of water through the gravel can be achieved by using water pumps rather than air displacement. Beneficial bacteria colonize the gravel bed and provide biological filtration, using the substrate of the aquarium itself as a biological filter. Fourth in list we have sponge filter. Sponge filter and corner filter, sometimes also called as box filter, work by essentially the same mechanism as an internal filter, both generally working by airlifting using bubbles from an air pump raising in a tube to create water flow. In a sponge filter, the inlet may only be covered by a simple open cell block of foam. A corner filter is slightly more complex. These filters are often placed in corner on the bottom of aquarium. Water enters in the box, passes through a layer of medium and then exits through the airlifting tube to return to the aquarium. This filter tend to only be suitable for small and lightly stocked aquarium. The sponge filter is especially useful for holding fries, where the sponge prevents the small fries from entering into the filter. Fifth in list we have sump filter. Sump filters are considered critical for marine and freshwater aquariums. Many hobbyists make their own sump filter to save money and customize them. Homemade sump filters have considerable variation, but their assembly is generally and fundamentally the same. This filter comes in two configurations, one which is placed on top of the aquarium and one which is placed below the aquarium. We are going to talk about sump which is placed below the aquarium. In this design, water will flow by gravity to the filter below the aquarium. Water is delivered to column 1, which is with the foam block or filter media. Then it flows to another column. It may be filtered again by filter wool resting in second column. Later it flows to another column and then it gets sucked by lifting pump and get delivers back to the tank. Some filters are basically used for big monster tanks, minimum 5 to 6 feet tanks. So this is it for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed it and gained some new knowledge about fish keeping. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and link to our Facebook page in description below. You can message us at any time for any assistance regarding your FlowerHorn. Thanks for watching. Have a nice time.